Just coming in, Kareena Kapoor and Amrita Arora have tested positive for COVID-19. Both of them had violated COVID norms attending several parties. The BMC has ordered people who came in contact with the two actors to undergo an RT-PCR test. This is what the BMC has said. Both of them, in fact, had attended several parties, as you can see pictures on your screen right now. It clearly shows that they were in fact having a good time with their friends, but COVID-appropriate behavior was violated evidently, with no masks on and zilch social distancing. Kareena Kapoor Khan has tested positive for COVID-19. Her friend Amrita Arora also happens to be the sister of well-known actor Malaika Arora, has tested positive for COVID-19. There is a big concern because Maharashtra currently at the moment is reporting the maximum number of cases of the fifth variant of concern, which happens to be Omicron. The BMC has issued several restrictions, asked for Section 144 also, remember, over the weekend to be imposed in the city of Mumbai, given the concerns around the increase in Omicron cases in the state of Maharashtra. Unfortunately, from where the second wave had started just about a year ago. There are concerns in the state of Maharashtra, and now we have news of Kareena Kapoor Khan testing positive along with her friend Amrita Arora. Pooja Shali has got more details on that story, and Pooja, as is evident to those pictures, they have in fact been violating COVID-appropriate behavior, isn't it?
The big news that's just come in, one of the big superstars of the film industry, Kareena Kapoor Khan, has tested positive. The result has come positive after an RT-PCR, but that's not it. One of her close friends, as is known in the industry, Amrita Arora, has also, her result also has come positive. And now what has happened is that the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation, the BMC, has now given out a word stating that they had recently appeared in some of the public events, some parties as well. So anyone who had come in contact with the two actors are expected to undergo the RT-PCR test as well. Now, according to the social media site Instagram, I can see that one of the last photographs of Kareena Kapoor Khan is attending a kid's birthday party on about 30th November, and before that as well there appears to be some of the family gatherings of which the photographs are surfacing. Of course, we hope that both the actors are currently fine. We do not have clarity about the kind of symptoms that Kareena Kapoor and Amrita have, and we hope that they get well soon. But importantly, this is big news because remember, these are public personalities. They have likely gone ahead and attended parties, and now the BMC is not taking it kindly at all. The BMC has come out and said that at this time, remember, we are all talking about the Omicron variant. We have heard that it is spreading very fast. So while those details are awaited, the BMC has sent out an appeal to anyone who had recently been in the same room with Kareena or Amrita to immediately undergo the RT-PCR test. This is an initial information that we have right now, but we will try and get more details about what exactly happened, where were they previously. But for now, I can tell you the last previous post is of a children's birthday party that Kareena had attended. Over to you, Sneha.
Yes, Pooja, which also means that everybody who has come in contact with both of these actors, who are often seen hanging out together, will have to take these precautionary measures like quarantine, for example. This also includes her own sister, Karishma Kapoor.
Absolutely. In the last few days, we can, from her social media handle, very clearly state that Kareena had been going out and that not just with Amrita Arora, but also her sister Karishma Kapoor. There are some photographs with Karishma's daughter as well. So remember, at this point, there had been several appeals that have gone out to ensure that you maintain social distancing, whether it is from the government or the experts as well, the doctors. We have seen how this has been spreading very fast, and there were appeals to wear a mask, maintain social distancing. But now with Kareena Kapoor's case coming positive, it will definitely send out a message that people need not let their guard down. We do not have clarity about the kind of parties that were attended, apart from the ones that were already in public domain that Kareena had put forth. But definitely in the past few days, specifically the end of November and early December, Kareena Kapoor and Amrita had gone out and attended a lot of public gatherings, especially some of the birthday parties, and all of them now will have to undergo an RT-PCR test according to the BMC. That is, of course, precautionary. This is called contact tracing. It will have to be done so that it does not spread. And all of this is specifically being mentioned by the BMC.